Where are we?
Tumco? A ghost town?
We're back. I have a feeling this hole is very deep. Yes. Probably farther than mine. I think this is strong enough to support us. Let's climb up and take a look how deep it is.
Haley, no. Can we go up there?
Haley, stay. I guess, I don't know yet. See if I can show you how deep it just disappears.
Oh,
1,000 feet,
like
million feet, who knows?
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's a ways down. I don't think it ends.
Oh my god. Ah! That makes my feet hurt. Oh, I can't walk over it. Oh.
That is a not survivable
Oh. Yeah.
way down.
Look at Haley.
Oh, poor little puppy.
Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come on. Come here. Come, come sit. Come here. You're alright. Come on. You're gonna be just fine. Come here.
She's
You can do
smart.
it.
She says there's a big hole.
Come here. Come.
And it's hard with my paws to walk on these.
Go get her. Come here.
Mom's gonna rescue you.
Okay. Come, you can sit on my lap, okay? Come here. Oh, it's okay. Come here. Come on. So scared. My paws were not built for this. What if your feet were the same size as the holes?
I'm going to get a small rock and drop it, and we're gonna listen for how long it takes.
Oh my.
I'm sure it's been done before.
It's okay, Fizz. He's coming back. She got nervous.
This
She's
has
like,
gotta
you're
be
gonna
one of
leave
the
me up
scariest
here.
places, yes. Okay. Oh my goodness, that means I have to walk over to it. You know, tell me when to drop it. I'll drop it on your.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Five seconds.
We'll have to figure out what that means. It's a long way down. 5 seconds to fall. We won't fill up the hole anymore so other people can enjoy such a wonderful experience. Let me get you. Come here. Ooh, right here. Awesome. We just came around the corner. We found this cave. He looks really surprised.
Really smells like so different. I'm gonna remember that.
I think we're coming up to the old mine opening. Well, it keeps going actually. I thought as if we get to high enough ground, we might be able to see in. Of course the trail doesn't go here. It's the last thing we saw, last few things we saw, we had to go off trail to find anyways. Turquoise?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It's really pretty. Get in there.
As usual, Haley the adventure dog, leading the way.
She knows where we're going. Just live life.
Live your life like this, right on the edge of a huge cliff.